Yeah, I'm going to the Grey Cup.
Are you? You got your tickets?
I will be, yes.
Yeah. Where? So you don't know where you're going to sit or anything then yet?
Where I usually sit.
How many friends you going with?
Well, I have my ticket.
She sits,
Oh, she's already
sits
got-
behind me.
You can't sit with her though.
No,
No.
no, no, my husband.
No, I
goes.
sit with my brother and other people around me.
Right.
So whether BC is in or not, I'm
Yeah,
going.
it's going to be a tough one.
Yeah, I know.
I've only been to 2 Grey Cups and I'm 2-0 with the Lions in it. Right? I
Yeah.
missed the last one, otherwise I would have been 3-0.
Same, because
Okay,
we were
yeah.
at the last one.
Yeah, the last one. I was outside. I went down there for the ambiance.
Okay, yeah.
And then I went to try and find tickets, but the guys out front just wanted way
Want
too
too
much
much,
money.
yeah.
Because it was the brand new opening of the dome when it was
Oh, yeah,
redone,
yeah,
so
yeah,
everything
yeah.
was on a premium, right?
Yeah.
And is that something that I have to wait to take up? Or
No,
is
no,
it
you can
on
take it
now?
right now. No, it's just the tables because I'm going to be
Okay.
doing shows. And then Halloween's the final show. Are you going to come?
Sure.
Yeah, Red Herring is playing.
Oh.
Julie, she knows them. And it's a free show. You have to wear a costume, a funny hat, or polka dot underwear.
There's something you should go to.
Right? Or all three. I'm going to wear all three. I'm going to have polka dot underwear, a funny hat, and a costume.
And then it happened again. And then it happened again. Wave after wave after wave. You can hear it humming. You can hear it thrumming. You can hear it coming after us, asking us to return, retune, and retell the tale of creation to the rhythm of that initial big burst. And the trickster commissioned to play at this party is a benevolent, six-dimensional guardian Sasquatch. Oxen. Her name is Oxen. It's the name the calligrapher gave her. And she's here to remind us our future's behind us and our pasts are under constant revisions based on decisions of who we do or do not feel like being today. She's a color shifter, a sound surfer, riding the waves of Anahata Bay straight through to the music of the spheres. She's got X-ray vision with fives in her eyes, the golden ratio in her smile, and her farts are all luminiferous ether.
It's called the Prop House Cafe, and I front as a cafe, and we did operate as a cafe, but I really opened this place up for a cultural venue in Vancouver, and mostly for, as I like to put it, artists with middle to no income at all. So mostly people that don't have a lot of money, but they need places to show their talents, and they also need to be able to borrow props and stuff for what they're trying to do. Could be a music video, could be theater, could be an independent movie. So I've been helping out all kinds of different groups of people now for over 5 years here. And you know, starting it, I didn't know if it would work. I just had a vision and put it all together and opened the door and made things happen. And it's been a lot of fun. And I've helped out many types of people, and I've really enjoyed doing it. And I haven't made any money. $0. But that's okay.
Who knew in 1962 what Americanness that's true? Needed a real good talking to, all the wisdom in that brew. And if you still don't know what Lucy did, hey, you were always
Good, man. So warm out, hey? Look at you. Awesome. Yeah. The rain's coming, but I'm amazed how warm it is. The wind, too.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
I
almost.
wish I was bike riding.
Oh, you said it. Have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
Oh, what's happening?
No, no.
14, 13.
Okay. Oh, I'm having fun though.
Actually, those
Getting rid of
nice.
things,
You know what would look nice?
You know, I've collected things for so long, and I put away a whole bunch of stuff. You know, I'm going to do something again down the road. So I have a good core.
I'm just,
You know what?
I'm gonna say, that's what I
Yeah, I bought this Curtis Rock today. It's from Vancouver Mill. Cost
Oh, wow, okay.
40s, I think.
So a real granite one?
Oh, yeah.
Heavy as can be.
Oh, we gotta get out.
It's in my trunk right now. I don't know how we're gonna get
They're a
it.
good door stopper.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to Nick.
So are you moving to another location?
No, just moving out. Rent's too crazy in our city. So.
I know.
Oh, so you're getting rid of, what are you doing with stuff you don't sell?
Like I don't have to be out till the end of November.
Still, that's still not that far.
Yeah, I know, but you know, I mean.
Oh my God.
Okay, that should be good. Don't bang it against anything. Our industry here in Vancouver really changed a lot, and most of the prop houses had to close. And so I decided, instead of closing, that I would refocus and start helping out all these other groups. And that's why I opened up this place and called it the Prop House Cafe, so that you know, I could start helping out different types of artists. Most of them have very little income or no income to make stuff. So, but you know, you keep helping out these people, and you know, 1 or 2 of them are going to be successful, right? I think like 1 out of every 10. That was in my mind when I'm helping these people. Some of them aren't ever going to even finish their project, and others are going to do something and get it into film fests or, you know, onto the internet, and different things will start happening, and maybe they'll become very successful one day. And you know, it's nice to look back and go, I helped them, right? And now look at them, right? And maybe down the road, they will do the same thing, you know, help out other people that are trying or starting up, right? And so, you know, you plant a seed, and you know, if you can grow the right type of tree, other seeds fall and other things grow, right? So. Cool, nice. It'll be a good project, and they're solid. Nice steel springs and everything. Okay, cool. I'll pull the rug off. I'll wrap that in a second, Mom.
Okay.
You can carry him now? 40 bucks for the tab. Okay. You know, it's. I look around and it still looks good, but it doesn't look like it how I set it up. You know, took me about 1.5 years to build everything by myself, to do everything. You know, I did the framing, the electrical wiring, the plumbing, the painting, everything, the designing. So slowly, right? And it was quite something. But it'll always live on in Google Images, or you know, on images on the internet. Could be Bing, could be Google, other things. And YouTube, there's many pages of videos that have been shot in here, so music videos. So I like that. I'll look at that all down the road one day when I'm gone, right, out of here.
Cats, have kittens, dogs, have pups, horses, have pretty foals,
Does everybody have their tickets here?
Oh, yeah.
This is for,
Wow.
you will be getting this signed bowling style moving shirt from Broadway Moving. The bowling ball, which you'll likely immediately give to Joey Casey. Slow-mo, draw the number. It's big.
Yeah.
It's big. Alright.
Okay, that's it.
That's it there. That's the one.
Yeah.
For the number, it's going to 9040997.
It's been an awesome show. It's been a great run and all that. But it really wouldn't be a Propo show unless I didn't throw a trademark pathetic moment in Dylan Reimer's life story at you. And I'm trying to think of what the best one was because there's been so many. There's been like, you know, I burned a guy's house. Actually, my best friend's father's house to the ground when I was 18. That was a good one. There was the time I got pulled over by the cops so high on acid that I had a lit cigarette on my lap and didn't notice it, so I actually burned my own penis.
Then my goal is to buy a building and do this again, but do it properly, and a 2 or 3 level building, right? Not just one where we have 2, 3 levels, and once again, then it can go around the clock. Never close. It'll be a creative zone, a cultural zone that's open 24 hours a day. Because I've noticed a lot of very creative people, you know, they work at night, you know, so you need places to go at 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the morning, you know, to think, to write, to film, you know, do whatever, you know, in the middle of the night. And we don't have anything like that here in Vancouver, so kind of that's what I'm going to strive towards. Yeah. And try and, as I put it, save arts and culture in our city for the people that don't have very much money. We need a home long term, so that's what I want to do.